learning activities in which student learning is facilitated. Alaba laid out example. So Gardner in 1999 presented the concept of MI, which means is multiple intelligence, based on the skills and abilities of the learners. The debunked the century-long and traditional concept of intelligence, referring only to the intelligence quotient. In 1983, when Howard Gardner presented this concept about intelligence through his books, Flames of Mind, he stated that any individual has different capabilities and tendencies in different areas, that each has several types of intelligence that are intermingled in different ways. So Gardner says that every soul has different capabilities and skills, and also he debunked that every student has ways of thinking and has ways of critical thinking. So the 9-fold intelligence, while identifying the potentials of intelligence, Gardner identified 7 criteria to be identified as intelligence. So the first one is A, potential isolation by birth damage; B, the excess of angel savants, prodigies, and other exceptional individuals; C, a distinctive developmental history; D, evolutionary history and evolutionary plausibility; E, support from experimental psychological tasks; F, support from psychometric findings; and G, susceptibility to input in a simple system. This is the A, multiple intelligence that Gardner identified. Okay. The next supporter is Martin Magallanes.
Let's continue. So first is verbal linguistic or world smart. So sensitivity to the written and spoken language. This ability is maintaining concerned with the ability to comprehend and compose language efficiency, both oral and written. So we talk about verbal linguistic world smart. This is someone who excel an activity involves such as writing or storytelling and complexity, playing word-based games. So next is logical mathematical number smart. So this is the ability to calculate and comprehend situation or conditions systematically and logically. People are good at exploring patterns and history, problem solving, and deductive reasoning. So we talk the example of logical mathematical numbers are this is a student who quickly figures out complex, or the example of this is Sudoku puzzles. So 3 is visual style picture smart. So this is the ability to perceive, modify, and create image. So people who are visually intelligent can understand patterns of space. So the example of this is the drawing a map from memory. So a person who can see or operate maps from the distance or the street of place. So the fourth is musical, rhythmic music smart. So this is the ability to identify pitch, rhythm, and emotional sides of sounds and sensitive capabilities towards sounds from the environment and musical instruments. So this is total musical. So this is the type of composing music. So a person who can write a range space. So some people are great song intended. The last is bodily kinesthetic body smart. So this refers to use of the body from expression. So it is described as a potential in using the body and its parts, mastering problems or creation of products. So the example of this is performing dance routine. So a dancer can learn using the choreography and question using the body movements and convey emotion in the story. And this is the end of my work. And next reporter is Jander Moses. Thank you.
Let's continue the report of study or research. So next is in a personal or first people's part. This intelligence is suggests the ability to identify, comprehend, and appreciate the emotions, intentions, motivation, desires, and beliefs to other people. So these intelligence are also they believe on the other people, they believe in the other people's ideas. So next is naturalistic or nature part. This talks about ability to identify and classify the natural world around people. The naturalistic intelligence people usually live in harmony with nature and have the ability to recognize and research all heritage nature. So this naturalistic is where the people who love nature. So they live in harmony and peace. Next is the essential life part. So people who are essential intelligence can question the existence of human, the meaning of life, the reason for essential and the death. So these people are very smart. So they are also have many questions about the existence of death and the human existence. So here next. Gardener studies the instructions which is designed to help the